If you want to get free wallpapers on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, you can use the Themes app that you should be able to find on your phone. And over here, we can switch to the Wallpapers tab. Over here at the top, we have different tabs that we can go through, of course. And we have many various different wallpapers that we can easily have on our phone that we can easily download for free. But what is quite interesting is that we have categories over here. So of course, if you're looking for something more specific, then you should be able to easily find it with the help of these categories. So let's say I want to use some sort of like, I don't know, like art wallpaper. Many different wallpapers that we can find in here. And for example, if you find any of them interesting, so much so that you wish to actually set as a wallpaper, then you can of course tap on this wallpaper. And there we go, we have the preview in the lock screen and the home screen, and once you set it up as you wish it to be, we can press on apply in the upper right corner and of course set it on our phone. And there we go, simple as that, we have a new wallpaper completely for free. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.